So that's my app here, AI3. Now I'm going to open this app. So that's the character Ali. So I'm going to ask some question to Ali. Suppose click on ask button. Okay, I'm going to just click on this button. What is the capital of India?
Delhi.
Fine. You can see here that's the question what we have asked and that's the answer. Right. Now I'm going to ask again something. Who are you?
I don't know, please teach me.
So I'm going to teach her. Click on manual button and you will see the question. Who are you? I'm just put question and here answer is I am Ali and save this answer. Okay, click on save button and go to the back. And now I'm going to asking again. Who are you?
I'm Ellie.
You got it? So we have to teach her. Like there is one option more you can teach her in a one click, but this one is not working properly right now. But we are working on that. And that character you can see here, that the animated image here, and that one is also with a problem. Like you can see here, she is not speaking, but she is look like she is speaking something. So when she is not speaking anything, so we have to change the image of this here, right? That character. Okay. So let's see how we can create this app. In this video, we are going to focus on design only. And in the next day, it means tomorrow, we will work on the code block section. Okay. So here we go. Here and type here AI4. That's my app name. Click on OK. Now here I'm going to design this app first. Okay, so first we need one layout. That one is vertical arrangement like this and make it fill with parent and make it also fine. Now I'm going to drag and drop one browser. Okay, because we have to display the GIF image. Okay, now we are going to use here 3 buttons and 2 labels. Okay, so for 3 buttons I'm going to use here one more layout, that is horizontal arrangement like this, and here I'm going to make it fill parent. Now here I'm going to use here 3 buttons, 1, 2 and 3. Fine. Now I'm going to change the button text, something like ask me, then teach me, then third one is manual. Fine, and make this center and center like this. Now I'm going to use here 2 label. So that one is first label and second one is this one. Like okay, fine. Now I'm going to change this text like that one is answer and first one is question. Fine. Now we have to display one image here. So there's 2 options. You can display the image from the any GIF URL like just type here talking girl GIF. Okay, you can use any character, right? Jiffy, and you can use you can use any other image also. Okay, that's really doesn't matter. So you have to find the image. So here you can see that if I'm suppose I want just to put this girl in my app, like, or this man in girl, that's the boy, he's talking something. Okay, I'm going to put this. No, I'm going to use this one. So copy link and copy this GIF image and open this in new tab, and you will see here that's the image here. Now again you can click on this image and open image in new tab like this, and now I'm going to copy this and go to my app, and you will see here home URL, paste it like this. Okay, so that's here your girl image or your any character image here. Now we are going to use here code for manual. Okay, so what we will do, I'm going to just change the background color of this, make it orange, and make this one is also orange. Fine, and you can change this button color also. Okay, so in this video we are going to just design the whole whole app right now. Okay, then in the next video we will learn how to code for that. Okay, because it's going too long. Because okay, so I'm going to change their text color something white and make it background color some custom. Okay, and I'm going to design this one also. Okay, I have to copy this code from here. You will see here done, and make it, click on another button and click on default custom and paste it like this and change text color to white. In the third button we have to done same thing. Fine. Now I'm going to hide this whole vertical arrangement. Click on visible off, and now again we have to drag and drop another one is also vertical arrangement. Make this one is also fill parent and this one is also fill parent. Okay, so here I'm going to design the manual screen. Okay, so I'm going to use here to text box, like we have to put question and answer both. So that one is question for, that one is for answer. Click on vertical arrangement and make it center, and this one is also center. Change the background color to something, anything, like I'm going to use here black, and make this text box with this fill parent like this, and I'm going to make it also fill parent like this. And here hint box is something, in a second is answer, and in the first box I'm going to put question till here. Fine. Now I'm going to use here two buttons, one for back and second for the saving the answer. So just just save it, and you can just use here save, and this one is for back. Okay, you can use here save answer also, and I'm going to change the background color, and I have copy already. Okay, be careful about designing. You should use at least similar buttons in your whole app. Okay, so that's the basic concepts of designing the app and something. Okay, you can not only same color you can use, but don't use like multiple colors. Okay, it's not a design, it's not good. I'm going to change it to white and make it white. Fine. Okay, so I'm going to code for this back button. So first I'm going to code for the vertical. So click on vertical arrangement, and that one is visible on, make it visible off. So someone click on manual button, so I'm going to rename this button, and that one is manual btn. Click on OK, and I'm going to the block section here, and whenever someone click on the manual button, so where is my manual button? Manual btn. So someone click on manual button, so we have to hide vertical arrangement visible, that one is false, and another one like this vertical arrangement 2 should be visible, like this one enable. Fine. And whenever we click on the back button, so we have to make it another something. I'm going to do it, so I have to check first which one is our back button. Okay, so go to the vertical arrangement 2, and that's our, we have to make it visible on, and click on this back button, and you will see that one button 5. I'm going to rename it back btn. Click on OK. Go to the block section and back btn, drag and drop this, or you can remove and just copy and paste this and change here from back button and make it true and make this one is false. Fine. Now we have completely designed our app right now. Fine. That's the overall. That's the yeah, there is the image, 3 buttons. We have this code for manual button, okay, and the code for back button also. Fine. In the next video we will learn how we can ask to Ali and how she can reply, and how we can teach to Ali. Fine. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any idea to improve this app and you want some more functionality and what type of functionality you want in this app, so you just comment on this video, then we will try to implement this idea and that functionality. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in a comment, and please subscribe my channel, like my video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.